Hey guys, it's Sharika. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. So happy Thursday. Today is going to be a real chill vlog. I am in the house. It's freezing cold outside. But really quick before we jump into the vlog, I do want to show you guys something I picked up from HomeGoods. When was it? Was it yesterday? It might have been yesterday. So let me sit you guys here, right next to the window where it's super bright. Okay, so this is the first piece that I picked up from HomeGoods. It's just this ceramic vase. It's like a light gray color, and then it has like some little specks of tan in it. And I plan on spray painting this, not black. I know that's what y'all thinking. No, stop trying to make it seem like I'm predictable. No, I'm not spray painting it black, okay? I am gonna spray paint this like a cream color. I wanna try to find some textured spray paint because I've never used it before. I really like the way that looks. So I'm not too sure if I could do it on this, but I'm gonna try. I'm gonna look up a few YouTube videos first, see what I can do, see what I can put together, and then if it's a go, then I'm gonna try that. If not, then I'm gonna stick to the basics, stick to what I know, and just use like a matte cream color for this vase. I really like the way that the handle looks on this. That's what caught my eye. I just thought it was something different. This is how it is. Super cute. Now the only thing about this is the handle actually broke yesterday when my son was getting it out of the car. He hit the handle and it popped right off, so I had to super glue it on, but it's just like new, so you can't even tell. So I love this. I just have it sitting on my TV console right now. I don't know if that's the permanent spot for it, but that's where I have it sitting right now. So I'm gonna just put it back. And then I picked up this really gorgeous crystal, geode crystal, whatever you guys want to call it, from HomeGoods yesterday. I know y'all thinking like, Sharika, you did not need another crystal, but this one was so pretty I could not leave it in the store. And this one was $79.99. So pretty. This thing is super heavy, so I just have this sitting on my coffee table on a few coffee table books. Let me show y'all up close again. Look at this. It's just so pretty. I love it. So we're gonna put this back. I actually posted a picture of this today on my Instagram. It's this guy right here. This is how he looks in the front. Of course, I did spray paint him last night. It's coming off a little shiny, but that's because of the light that's coming in from the window. But yeah, this is my next purchase. This is a, it's not that heavy, but he's big. So I just have him sitting on my coffee table. I saw him yesterday. He was the only one in there. I was super excited. I grabbed him, snatched him up. A few of you guys that follow me on Instagram found yours yesterday. Y'all tagged me in a couple of your pictures. So it comes in like a rusty looking brown color, which it does look pretty cool, but y'all know me, I'm a spray paint queen. I'll have to spray paint everything. So I just hit him with a little bit of spray paint. This is how he looks up close, like this. From the, oh my hair. Side, he's just like kneeling down like this. So let me take a thumbnail. So yeah, got this guy for $49.99, and he's also sitting on the coffee table. Now let's go over here. Come on, let me take y'all over here real quick. Next up is this plant here that I picked up from Target. The leaves did not come like this. I actually put those little cuts in the leaf just to make it look a little more realistic, because this is an artificial plant. It is not real. And then I did add some real dirt in my planter. Speaking of the planter, this is new. And I got this planter from, it's called Resale Upscale Furniture. And they basically just resell furniture that they use to stage apartments and homes and things like that. I have vlogged in there before, but they have really nice stuff in there. So that's where I purchased the planter. And this planter was $100. It's really, really big, y'all. I love it so much. But I actually have the pot for this plant in there just to give it some height. So instead of the plant being 6 feet, I think it's now about 7 feet tall. So love that. Y'all see the little slits that I put in the tree? I like the way it looks. It makes it look really nice. So I got this from Target. It is Project 62 and it was $130. They had a different one that had like the tree bark along the bottom of the plant, and that one was $200. So I actually had that one in my buggy. You can find that one in the outdoor area, but when I went over to the decor section, that's when I found this one, and I like this one, and the price was better, so I just went with this guy here, and I think he looks really nice. So I did a little Instagram clip this morning with my tea, and some of you guys are saying, look at Chloe, look at Chloe. Girl, that is not Chloe. Girl, that's not Chloe. Don't try Chloe like that. Chloe is real, okay? She fake. So I was thinking about making some pho. If you guys don't know what that is, it's just like a broth with noodles and a little bit of vegetables and then your choice of meat. So what I'm gonna do, I looked up the recipe on Pinterest. If you guys want to make it, the recipe will be on Pinterest, but I'll show you how it looks when I'm done. But it's really simple because it's literally just broth, noodles, and then you do your vegetables. Well, it's not a lot of vegetables, but I'm gonna use mushrooms. I'm gonna use some bean sprouts. When I go to a place to purchase pho, I always get shrimp in mine, but this time I'm gonna do lobster. And then I don't think that they use the ramen noodles. I think they use some other type of noodles. But I'm gonna use ramen noodles because I'm making mine at home, so it's my way or the highway. getting a new TV today. We have a 50, so we're gonna upgrade to a 65. So I'm just waiting. It's a good price to it, is $546. So yeah. Yeah, so we made it home with the new TV. It's the same exact TV that we already have, just a bigger size. So we have a 55-inch on the wall right now, and this one is a 65. So just in case you guys are wondering, because I know I'm gonna get questions on it, this is the Samsung Crystal UHD 7 series, and it's a smart TV. So it comes with Alexa, Google Assistant, Apple AirPlay, Netflix, YouTube, Hulu, Apple TV, Disney Plus, and Samsung TV Plus.
You could download different apps.
Yeah, we gotta download the apps.
No, you can download any other apps, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, okay.
And then, like, what's even better about it is that we don't have to switch out any plugs or anything because it's the exact same TV as up front.
Yeah. So let's go ahead and put this baby up. So this is the old TV, and this is the new TV. So who remembers the struggle with the wall? So this is the little thing that we got. This is a little thing that we got because we were going to put the cords in this hole, drop them down, and then we have another one back there, and we're gonna pull them out. So that way we didn't have to have this. But when we drilled this hole in the wall, we discovered that it is a wooden piece right here blocking the drop. So we had to do this, which I hate, but so yeah. Now we just have to have this little bar. But if it was up to me, we wouldn't have that.
You ready?
What's up with this?
Is you ready, Carisha? Come on.
We are just doing a little tidying up. Can you move this one for me? Put it back over here, please.
A little heavy.
Ryan say Wolford.
Hey y'all, Wolford.
That's my brother Ryan, y'all. So we both just finished filming a mukbang. We didn't do one together. I did one on my channel. He did one on his. And I just finished editing my video. He's editing his. So he's getting this TV. And I went to TJ Maxx today. Picked up some new candles. Let me show y'all. It's cold outside.
Yeah.
So this is one of my favorite candles. You guys know that already. The sandalwood myrrh. It smells amazing. It's really strong. It's a very masculine scent. So really good. And then I grabbed a new candle today that I've never smelled before. And this is the Mediterranean candle by Sand and Fog. It smells really nice. It has a really clean scent. So okay, I can try this. I bought 2 of these. These were $12.99. And then this one was $14.99. My other candle is over there. So I'm getting ready to burn this one right now. This is what I was burning last night, the Manly Indulgence Last Call candle. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this one in here. I need a big one. Light this one up. I don't trim my wicks until after the first burn. So it's about time for me to charge this.
We just building, it's my season, lay foundation, make a name for generations, please and make it, then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. You always posting a picture, trying to look like you winning, or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, 'cause baby